Hey, if you're new here, welcome. I'm Dr. Sam Ellis, a board-certified dermatologist and the founder of Prequel. Today, I am thrilled to introduce you to Prequel's newest product, the Barrier Therapy Skin Protectant Cream. As a dermatologist, I really understand the value of the skin barrier, and what I've seen over the past couple years is that other people are starting to understand the value of the skin barrier too. Keeping your skin barrier, which is the outermost layers of your skin, protected and nourished and restored will help keep your skin thriving and healthy. So many of the chronic inflammatory skin conditions that I see and treat as a dermatologist are due to a disrupted or poorly functioning skin barrier. This includes things like eczema and psoriasis, but also people who suffer from things like rosacea also struggle with skin barrier integrity. So when we're thinking about treatment, whether that's medical prescription therapies or things that you can use over the counter, using products that support, nourish, and help the skin barrier thrive is essential. So there are so many ways that a disrupted skin barrier can show up on someone's skin. It can be flakiness, dryness, redness, itching, and it will really vary based on the individual person and how their skin barrier is specifically disrupted. So I wanted to create this skin protectant cream to help alleviate those symptoms and help people restore their skin barrier. So this skin protectant cream is formulated with 1% colloidal oatmeal, and what a lot of people don't realize is that oatmeal is actually an active ingredient in skincare and really serves to protect and nourish the skin. Colloidal oatmeal is actually an OTC skin protectant. It has bioactive compounds that have been shown to alleviate many different dermatological concerns, including things like irritated skin, itchy skin, and even eczema. Depending on what generation you're from, you might be familiar with bathing in oatmeal to soothe itchy, rough skin. I know when I had chickenpox, that was something that my mom did. And that wasn't just like an old wives' tale that oatmeal can be helpful. Oatmeal is truly therapeutic. In addition to colloidal oatmeal, this also has a bioactive lipid complex that contains cholesterol, fatty acids, and ceramides. And that trio of lipids is super important because when you think about the skin barrier and what that actually is, it's a whole bunch of little dead skin cells that are held together by a complex fatty or lipid matrix that contains those three molecules. The reason that lipid trio is so important and valuable is because when you look at the skin barrier, it's essentially composed of bricks and mortar. The bricks are your skin cells and the mortar is that complex lipid matrix that holds those bricks together and creates a tight seal, preventing bad things from getting in from the environment and also preventing water loss. And that lipid matrix is composed primarily of free fatty acids, cholesterol, and ceramides, the same thing that's in this skin protectant cream. This also contains allantoin, which I absolutely love. It moisturizes and soothes the skin, and also adenosine, which has similar properties. So I absolutely love skin protectants and things that nourish the skin barrier. Part of the initial Prequel launch was our Skin Utility Ointment, which was a petrolatum-based skin protectant. But this is not an ointment. This is truly a rich, velvety, luxurious cream that you can apply head to toe. I find that for so many of my eczema patients and other patients who I just recommend regular moisturization to, they're really hesitant to use body lotions because they don't like any residue on their skin or they don't want it to feel heavy. And I feel like this is such a perfect balance of rich, nourishing cream that doesn't leave that kind of residue. And that was so important to me with Prequel in general. You could say, oh, I've used a body lotion that has oatmeal, or I know about skin protectants, but it's not just about the ingredients, it's about the formula overall and creating something that people are inspired to use, that they want to use on their body so that they can be consistent. Because ultimately it is about being consistent with your skin in order to get it to its healthiest state. I also want to mention that you can use this on your face and your body. So if you're experiencing any types of irritation or sensitivity, this is amazing, but also if you just need a day-to-day head-to-toe moisturizer, this is fantastic. So when you compare this to our urea moisturizing milk, which I am also obsessed with, I feel like this cream, the skin protectant cream, is really amazing if your skin is feeling at all sensitive in any way, or if you're craving something a little bit more rich and silky. Whereas that urea cream has a very mild exfoliating effect and really helps smooth the skin. So they do different things, but I think they both belong in someone's routine, just maybe at different times. So for example, I really like to use the urea cream if I feel like my skin is looking a little bit dehydrated or a little bit textured. But what I really love about this barrier therapy cream is that it is meant for your skin in any state. You could be post-procedure, you could have gotten a sunburn, you could have gone in too hard with the body exfoliator. It's just a great way to help repair and soothe your skin no matter how it's feeling. One question that might come up is, can you use this on kids or babies? And what I would say is I'm not your personal pediatrician, so you should always check with the healthcare provider that knows your skin the best, but I use this on my son all the time because I feel like it is so nourishing. He actually reaches for it. I mean, it's the cutest thing ever. I also really wanted to create a skin protectant cream that could be used by my patients who are on medical treatments for their eczema and their psoriasis. I feel like so many people think that you go on medicine and you don't have to do anything else to care for your skin, but everyone needs a good body cream or moisturizer, and people who struggle with their skin barrier for whatever reason need that even more. If I was instructing my patient on how to use this and they had other prescription topicals that they were incorporating into their routine, I usually have my patients apply their prescription medications first and then apply any moisturizers on top. But again, if you have a prescription medication, you should check with your doctor. But I also want to say, like, a skin protectant really is medicine for eczema. It really has truly therapeutic effects, and that's what's so great about this. You could take someone who has eczema, give them no steroid creams, give them no injections, and just have them use regular moisturization, and their skin condition would improve. So of course, the skin protectant cream is fragrance-free, steroid-free, safe for people with sensitive skin, safe and even therapeutic for people who have eczema or psoriasis. It's really just great for all skin types, truly. And beyond just being good for skin barrier support, this product actually feels good on the skin. Again, I want people to want to use their skincare, and that is what Prequel is all about. And because I want people to really be generous with their moisturizer and use it as it should be to get the best benefits, we put it in this nice big tube. So this is 10 ounces. I love the tube because it's very easy and clean to kind of get just as much as you need. I love leaving this like outside the bath or the shower so you can remember to put it on right when you get out, when your skin is still a little bit damp. So if you struggle with skin irritation, dryness, itchiness, dermatitis, eczema, or if you just need a great head to toe body moisturizer, this skin protectant cream is it. This is really a skin protectant that everyone could and honestly should use. It's going to support and nourish your skin barrier and help keep your skin in the healthiest state possible. So this is now available on prequelskin.com. Try it out, test it out, let me know what you're loving. Also, if you have questions about the product, you can always reach out to us on our social platforms at Prequel Skin. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.